At the heart of Scottsdale, Arizona, you'll find Interface, the world leader in force measurement solutions. Arizona is home to our corporate offices, state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, accredited calibration laboratory, and precision machine shop. For more than half a century, Interface has set the global standard for accuracy and performance. We design and manufacture our products all in the USA. We guarantee the highest quality load cells, torque transducers, multi-axis sensors, and instrumentation systems available today, all under one roof. Our expert engineers deliver solutions across aerospace, automotive, robotics, energy, medical manufacturing, industrial automation, and test and measurement applications. From just a few grams to millions of pounds, our sensors are trusted wherever precision is critical. Because we control every step, from design and machining to strain gauge production, assembly, and calibration, we ensure unmatched consistency, quality, and performance in every product. Interface operates one of the most advanced calibration laboratories in the world, accredited to ISO/IEC 17025-2017 by A2LA for both force and torque calibration. Our calibration and repair services meet the highest international standards, including ANSI/NCSL Z541-1994, ensuring every measurement is precise, traceable, and reliable. Every Interface calibration certificate provides complete, detailed data, including measurement variables, zero balance, computed nonlinearity and hysteresis, and full traceability statements, setting the industry benchmark for quality and transparency. This accreditation demonstrates Interface's technical competence and commitment to maintaining a world-class laboratory quality management system in full accordance with global standards. When precision, reliability, and performance matter most, the world turns to Interface. We don't just measure force, we are always finding a way to redefine what's possible in measurement. Interface, the global leader in force measurement solutions. Because with Interface, there are no limits.